Which immune function is mainly associated with thymus-derived lymphocytes? Antibody secretion, complement activation, phagocytosis, cell-mediated immunity. And the correct answer is option D, that is cell-mediated immunity. The majority of circulating lymphocytes in peripheral blood are B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, plasma cells, natural killer cells. And the correct answer is option B, that is T lymphocytes. In addition to blood, T lymphocytes are most abundantly located in the bone marrow only, thymus only, spleen and lymph nodes, liver and kidney. And the correct answer is option C, that is spleen and lymph nodes. Which lymphocyte population matures independently of thymus? Helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells, natural killer cells, B lymphocytes. And the correct answer is option B, that is B lymphocytes. Humoral immunity is primarily mediated through the activity of T lymphocytes, macrophages, B lymphocytes, neutrophils. And the correct answer is option C, that is B lymphocytes. In a lymph node, the follicular or germinal centers predominantly contain T lymphocytes, macrophages, B lymphocytes, plasma cells. And the correct answer is option B, that is macrophages. The parafollicular or paracortical zone of lymph nodes is mainly populated by T lymphocytes, reticular cells, B lymphocytes, plasma cells. And the correct answer is option A, that is T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes can produce antibodies belonging to several immunoglobulin classes including IgA, D, E, G and M, A, B, C and D, G, H, K and L, IgM only. And the correct answer is option A, that is IgA, D, E, G and M. Upon antigen re-exposure, sensitized B lymphocytes primarily differentiate into memory T cells, macrophages, dendritic cells, plasma cells. And the correct answer is option D, that is plasma cells. The main immunological function of plasma cells is to secrete antibodies, present antigen to T cells, destroy infected cells, produce cytokines. And the correct answer is option A, that is secrete antibodies. The predominant immunoglobulin in circulating blood is IgA, IgM, IgG, IgE. And the correct answer is option C, that is IgG. The immunoglobulin primarily responsible for immediate hypersensitivity reactions is IgA, IgM, IgG, IgE. And the correct answer is option D, that is IgE. Cytotoxic T cells are especially important in immunity against extracellular bacteria, helminths, fungi, viruses. And the correct answer is option D, that is viruses. CD8 cytotoxic T cells kill virus infected cells mainly by releasing histamine and serotonin, antibodies and complement, perforin and granzymes, interleukins only. And the correct answer is option C, that is perforin and granzymes. Natural killer cells play a major role in the destruction of extracellular bacteria, neoplastic and virus infected cells, helminths, circulating antibodies. And the correct answer is option B, that is neoplastic and virus infected cells. Immune-mediated hemolytic anemia is primarily caused by defective hemoglobin synthesis, R2 antibody production against RBCs, bone marrow failure, iron deficiency. And the correct answer is option B, that is R2 antibody production against RBCs. The most common mechanism of RBC destruction in IMHA is intravascular hemolysis only, extravascular hemolysis in spleen, renal filtration of RBCs, bone marrow suppression. And the correct answer is option B, that is extravascular hemolysis in spleen. Platelet production in bone marrow occurs from megakaryocytes primarily under the influence of erythropoietin, colony stimulating factor, thrombopoietin, interleukin 2. And the correct answer is option C, that is thrombopoietin. Risk of spontaneous hemorrhage generally increases when platelet count falls below 150,000 per microliter, 100,000 per microliter, 50,000 per microliter, 30,000 per microliter. And the correct answer is option D, that is 30,000 per microliter. Primary bone marrow disorders most commonly result in which hematological abnormality? Accelerated anemia, leukocytosis, pancytopenia, thrombocytosis. And the correct answer is option C, that is pancytopenia. Which condition is most likely to present with pancytopenia due to primary marrow failure? Immune-mediated hemolytic anemia, chronic renal failure, aplastic anemia, iron deficiency. And the correct answer is option C, that is aplastic anemia. Aspirin impairs platelet aggregation primarily by irreversible inhibition of cyclooxygenase, lipoxygenase, thrombin, phospholipase A2. And the correct answer is option A, that is cyclooxygenase. Which condition most commonly leads to non-regenerative anemia in animals? Acute hemorrhage, immune-mediated hemolytic anemia, chronic renal failure, splenic rupture. And the correct answer is option C, that is chronic renal failure. An increased MCV in an anemic animal most commonly indicates iron deficiency anemia, dehydration, chronic blood loss, regenerative anemia. And the correct answer is option D, that is regenerative anemia. A decreased mean corpuscular volume or microcytosis is most characteristics of hemolytic anemia, aplastic anemia, iron deficiency anemia, anemia of acute blood loss. And the correct answer is option C, that is iron deficiency anemia.